To start your Durham Tech application, select Apply on the right-hand side of the screen. Then select Apply Now. This is what the application will look like. You must complete each page that's listed on the left-hand side of the screen by filling out your personal information. The required fields are indicated by red asterisks. When you reach the residency determination screen, click this link, which will take you to a new tab to determine if you are eligible for in-state tuition. On this page, click Complete Residency Determination. Make sure to fill out every section with your information for the most accurate results. At the end, you'll reach a screen that will provide the residency certification number needed for your application. It should autofill the number into your application, or you can copy and paste. All that's left is your electronic signature, and then you can submit your application.